have any?
Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're playing another episode of Skyblox. I'm here with Clay and we're playing on our main accounts. Last time you saw us on our alt account, so you see me here and with her and you need iron?
Yeah.
How much iron do I have? I have 366, is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
To be honest, it's probably over enough. Alright, come over here to this chest. I probably should just get the industrial chest. Probably easier. In this video, we're just going to be, grab it. We're going to be playing on our main accounts instead of our alt accounts because, yeah, the alt accounts kind of, we just wanted to do the main accounts because we're not too high on our alt accounts.
That's enough.
Okay. Just grab all that, and there you go. Now let me hand you a furnace. Do I have enough for a furnace? Might not. Let's see. Oh no, I don't have any iron. Here, just take one of mine. There you go. Boom. Here, grab it. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you, yeah, my island's a bit of a mess, but right now I'm going to show you how you can make a totem, an iron totem farm thing, I think. And a stone, and it also works for stone and coal. So you grab your totems that you need. I have the coal totem, the stone totem, and the iron totem. What you need to do is place the industrial chest right here. And you also need a conveyor belt that you can place right here. Then what you want to do is place that right there, and that right there. And it should start working eventually. And I'm going to add 2 because, why not? And one's going to be, and then 2 are going to be coal and one's going to be iron on this one. So, let's head over to Clay's island, see how she's doing. Oh man, her whole island is crops. And of course she has two totems. She hasn't even built over there yet. She just uses my island to do it. She has 1 furnace. I guess you aren't really here that much, I guess. Right? I'm not here too much. These tomatoes are stolen, aren't they?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see if this is working. Yep, see, it's working all right. See, I'm getting the stone, and I'm getting the iron and the coal, probably. I think I am. Yeah, I'm getting the iron and the coal too. So today I'm trying to see if I can afford more totems, because that's going to be awesome if I could. So, yeah, we're just going to pause the video until I get enough coins. Okay, so the weirdest thing just happened. I had 91 onions, and you see, yeah, see, look right there. And let's see how much 91 would be. We probably can't do 91, but see, 91 is 2,000. 90 is 2,700 coins, and let's see how much 1 is. 1 is 30 coins, so man, that's a ton. It's a ton of coins. So anyway, I can afford another coal totem. Another coal totem. And I'm gonna use it to create the coal farm thing, the digger that I need. And yeah, I'm gonna put my third totem. Just show you this iron totem. The coal's overflowing. Too bad. I'm gonna put another one. But let's grab my coal, my iron. How is my coal overflowing? Huh, I have no clue. But my stone's overflowing. And I'm gonna start harvesting wheat and start harvesting onions. And the wheat and the onions are really useful for coins when you first start out because wheat gives you 5 coins each, I think, and onions gives you how much is it? Oh yeah, 30 coins. So yeah, they're really useful. We're going to use them to get a lot of coins, and I'm trying to get as much onions as possible because you saw how much coins that gave me from those 91 onions. And it was only 91 and there was thousands and thousands of coins. So I also have a pretty rare item. It's called the pearl. I caught it while I was fishing at one point. And it's pretty useful because you can use it for some crafting recipes with a tier 3 workbench. So yeah, I will harvest.
I need more coal.
Okay, I'm gonna harvest some onions, and yeah. Okay, so I finished all this onion planting, and now I have 94 onions. It's pretty good for now. And yeah, I'm pretty much just going to, just roll with what we have right now. And yeah, I don't know why I say
stone cutters is really useful
because it turns the stone into stone bricks. Why do you need the stone bricks?
What?
Why do you need the stone bricks?
I want to build stuff.
There's an industrial stone cutter. But it costs one of the most expensive items in the game. There's an industrial sawmill. That's pretty cool. An industrial oven. Industrial chest. I already have that. Industrial washing station. Just a washing station. Workbench. Vending machine. All this simple. 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 Simple, pimple.
What?
I don't know. Nani, 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 nani. I don't think there's really much to do other than build right now in this point. Like, I guess we could upgrade our stuff, but who wants to upgrade when you could build? Yeah. Uh-oh, my chest is overflowing. There we go. My chest is no longer overflowing. Wait, what happens if I put the direction as out? Oh, it just won't let them go in. Oh man, there's a ton of wood. No, I didn't mean to go to the stone tree. Industrial chest. In. Well, that just makes them all go. If you are VIP, you get 100 coins every 30 minutes. That's not too bad. How much does VIP cost though? Per rank. VIP costs 400 dang Robux. Okay. There's a starter pack, which is really expensive. Lighting station. Apparently, you can't get lighting unless you have 149 Robux exactly. All right, so I think today I'm probably going to go to the slime thing, but I need a sword. Luckily, I have that. Can you hear yourself? I think you can hear your. I can't speak. I think you can heal yourself with onions. So I'll use that to heal myself. Probably not that useful, but it'll probably save me. Charge! Run, run, run. Alright, okay, am I eating them?
I'm gonna go build stuff on my island.
Okay, yeah, make your island look better. I think this is working. Yeah, it worked. Okay. That's pretty useful, not gonna lie. So don't worry, our next episode is gonna be on our alt accounts. If you're tired, if you don't want any of us playing on our real accounts, there will be and if you don't want us playing on our alt accounts, there will be a mixture of both because we like playing on both of them. Yum yum yum, yum yum yum. There's sound. Oh, there is sound. I just turned it off for the video. Ah, yes. I got the island key. I got the island key. I can go through. I can go through. Where is it? Where is it?
What's it for?
That's so you can go to the next island. Finally got it. Sweet. There's what? There's rock monsters? What? Um, what the heck? You have to mine them? I know. I'm not doing so well right now.
I get all the stone from the bottom of my island.
You know I have a stone farm, right?
Yeah, but this is quicker.
I think this is how you get gold. Might be mistaken.
How you get gold?
By killing these things. I don't have a really good weapon. That's a nice way to get gold, isn't it? It won't let me hit these. I think I need the axe. I think I need an axe. Darn, that key is only one time use. I need another one. I think that's how you get gold over there. So, and I'm going to get the gold later in this episode, but I need to craft a war axe, and the only way to do that is mining iron. I was just a broken piece of iron. Bap, 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 bap. Ugh, darn it, the one time where you need iron. Because I brought my iron farm down, and now it doesn't have it anymore. Now I don't have it anymore. Because can't really do this right, can you? Broken. I need the war axe. I really need the war axe. I cannot keep on mining iron all day. I need the. All right, so that will probably end this video for today. If you liked it, please like, and there is more Skyblox videos coming your way. And I guess bye. And next video will be on our alt account, so stay tuned for that. And bye.